What's up YouTube, this is New Era Dad doing a video of the bad weather outside my house today, and it's pretty rough. And today's the, I don't know what today is, the 31st of May? Yeah. And I have an entire hill I can look over, and as you can see, you see the little outlining there, that's part of the background of another city that I overlooked. And oh look, there's my baby. That's my Tahoe. Love it to death. But yeah, it's pouring down pretty hard over here. You got the puddle, you know. You can see right there, focus, stream of water coming down. There we go. Starting to clear up a little bit, but yeah, it's pretty bad right now. A little windy. More heavy rain than anything, really. But yeah. That's my side yard. It's my kids' play set. They got it pretty nice there, don't they? Yeah, look at that. That was our deck we tore up last year. We had a big old 24-foot pool. That's gone. But we plan on getting one. Probably next year. We got foundation work to do because our basement leaks really bad. So we had to get rid of our pool. But yeah, see, you can see a little better now. See that? Yeah. There's a zoom. Woo! Scared the shit out of me. Man, you didn't see it. I saw it at the corner of my eye, but I know you all heard it. That was loud. But cool thing to tell you about me, you know, me and my dad always used to sit out on the front porch and watch storms, you know. And if it got too rough, we just sat inside, opened the window, listened, recorded it, and to me it's calm and relaxing to watch a storm. I don't know about you all, but you know, it's really calm and relaxing for me. I love it. Just relaxing, you know. Some people hate it. My kids are terrified of it. My wife's terrified of it. My dog hates it. I think the only one that's not scared is my youngest one, Edgar. But you know what? I love it. Wouldn't change it for the world.